Hello and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Akaso Keychain 4K camera. The camera is labelled as the smallest 4K vlog camera and comes with a range of features and functionalities. The camera is just 63mm by 33mm with a width of just 18mm, weighing in at just 36 grams without any of the additional attachments. The camera has a micro SD card slot and a USB Type-C slot that fits neatly into its sleek and stylish splash-proof frame. The box itself is also very stylish and does a great job at representing the product quality and aesthetic, as well as informing us of the main features and functionalities which we'll cover during this video. As we take a look inside the box, we can see that we are firstly greeted with the tiny camera itself, which we'll take a better look at shortly. But for now, let's have a look inside. We can firstly see that we are supplied with a reasonable length USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for charging the device, as well as a selection of other handy accessories. We have a rubberized casing which allows you to actually carry the camera around on a keychain. Not only does it protect the device, but it also makes it extremely convenient to use. There's also a magnetic ball and socket stand with a sticky base to allow it to be used on a desktop, car, as a dash cam, and a plethora of other creative ways. In addition to this, we also have a small magnetic base which allows you to, well, stick it to things, whether this be a bike, street lamp, postbox, your shirt, it's really up to you. And finally, there's also a magnetic clip attachment which you can quickly attach to your clothes or a headband to get some fantastic first-person footage. The first-person footage is greatly aided by the fantastic 124 degrees field of view that the camera offers. As well as this, the tiny camera boasts various quality options including 4K at 30fps all the way down to 720p at 120fps. As well as this, there are various video functions including time-lapse and slow motion. You can record for up to 60 minutes and connect to your mobile device using the 5GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. In addition to all of these features, you can also take 20 megapixel stills. However, the feature list doesn't end there. There is also a built-in image stabilization which can be toggled on and off in the Akaso Go mobile app, as well as a bunch of other useful settings in there as well. Connecting the camera is extremely easy and intuitive. As soon as you connect, you can see a live preview of your camera on the device, as you'll see shortly. In addition to this, you can download any recordings directly to your mobile device from within the app. This saves you a lot of time and allows you to post content almost instantly. In regards to the design, the Akaso Keychain camera also looks and feels great. It's sleek and clean, which complements its small form factor very nicely. Also, around the camera lens we can see a small toggleable ring light which can be turned on by holding the lower side button. It's handy to have, but obviously this will have a greater effect on the battery life of the device, which is actually pretty good. In regards to the output quality, I really don't know what I expected. It's very decent, especially with size and all things considered, but when you hear the term 4K you expect a sharp and clear image, and at least for me this was not entirely the case, especially in low lit environments. However, I cannot deny that the footage still looks pretty good at 4K 30fps. And for sharing content to social media, this is honestly ideal, but I would say this is definitely more of a novelty item than a serious piece of gear. But for an entry level and extremely versatile camera, it's honestly fantastic. The product is releasing very soon, and for anyone that's interested in adopting this camera early, you can save 45% via the Indiegogo page, which is linked down in the description. As well as my sample footage at the end of this video, I'm also going to link some additional footage from other creators down in the description as well, to give you a better idea of what this camera can actually produce. I would also advise you to go and check out the website for this product to get a more thorough understanding of this tiny 4K camera's capabilities. If you do have any further questions regarding this product, please feel free to let me know down in the comments. Also, I have to say a big thank you to Akaso for letting me test out this awesome and unique product. But as always, this is not a paid promotion, therefore all thoughts and opinions in this video are my own. I'll now show you a short clip of the camera running at 4K resolution and 30 frames per second in a low lit environment. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.